Hello again, and welcome back to Monkey Prop Shop. Today I'll be working on another piece of the N7 Armour, and this is the shoulder templates that I'll be working on. So as you can see, I've cut out the templates already, and I'm going to cut these out onto the foam, which I've done here. And I'm going to cut two of these. I'm going to double this up because I want to try and get some sort of curvature on the piece. So once I've cut that template out there, I then have this template, and I'll take out this middle section here, and then I'll mark where this piece will go. So that's what I've done here. I've marked that out. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut that piece out, and then I'm going to make this piece, maybe using my offcut, or maybe I'll just cut a completely new piece, and I'm going to embed that in but leave it slightly raised. So that's what I'm up to right now, and I'll get back to you in a little while and let you know how I'm going to get on with that. Okay, so I've just cut these pieces out from my templates, and here's what I've done. And as you can see, there's quite a rough edge, especially on the curve where you're trying to cut in on the radius. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my fine grit sander here on my Dremel, and I'm just going to clean that edge up. Okay, once you've done that, you can see that's a lot cleaner on the end there. So then, let's get hold of your heat gun. Just give that a quick blast down the side, and I'll just get rid of all the little fray bits. And I just help to seal that a little bit as well. There. Nice, pretty good smooth edge to work with. Get some good adhesion there with your contact cement or super glue or whatever it is you're using, and I'll carry on and get that detail in there now. Okay, so welcome back. So as you can see, I've now cut that piece out there, and the piece that's come out there I've now cut out on the template the three sections here, which I then marked out, and I cut very carefully with the scalpel blade. And here's one that I've done. You cut that out with a scalpel blade, and then just clean the insides up with a fine grit sanding wheel. This piece here I've also beveled on the edges, and then where you can see that gold line, I shall then insert that into here with just above the gold line showing, and that's what I've done with this piece here, as you can see, and that goes in there quite nicely, and just by taking that hard edge off again, just gives it a nice roundness. Then I shall do the same to the whole shoulder piece, just take my fine grit sander to it and just round that off, and just to give it a little bit, so it doesn't look so flat basically. Okay, so I'll get back to you in a little while when I've done that. Thanks for watching. Okay, so here the pieces are now. I've had my sanding wheel on it, and I've took the hard edges off. Stops that looking so flat, gives it a bit more sort of body and depth if you like. I've actually put two pieces of 10mm together there and contact glued them together. You get quite a good join with the contact cement. Then obviously go over that with your fine grit sanding wheel, and it almost disappears the joint. Once it's painted up and that, hopefully that will disappear completely. And there's the piece in the middle there. I also took the edge off of that, as you can see, and it just makes it just a lot more smoother and rounder. And I've done both pieces, ready for fitting to my back plate, the shoulder piece. And I've left these at the moment. I haven't fitted these in yet, because hopefully I'll get some EL wire and put some EL wire in there so that they'll light up once they're fitted onto the back part. But yeah, that's that so far, and I should probably be carrying on soon and starting on the back spinal columns. Any questions about what I've been doing so far in any of my videos, or you can find my other videos, then feel free to leave comments in the comments and suggestions box. And I'll catch you later, guys.